Welcome to my channel. Increase Wi-Fi coverage with range extender full tutorial. Step 1. Find weak Wi-Fi areas. Check which rooms in your home have slow or weak Wi-Fi signals before setup. Step 2. Plug in the range extender. Insert the extender into a power outlet near your main router. Step 3. Wait for the power light. Allow the device to fully start until the LED light becomes stable. Step 4. Connect your device. Use your phone or laptop to connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Open the setup page. Open a browser and enter the extender setup address shown in the manual. Step 6. Log in to the extender. Enter the default admin username and password to start the setup. Step 7. Select your home Wi-Fi. Choose your main Wi-Fi network from the available network list. Step 8. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your home Wi-Fi password correctly and save the settings. Step 9. Place the extender properly. Move the extender halfway between the router and the weak signal area. Step 10. Test the internet connection. Check Wi-Fi speed and coverage in different rooms to confirm better performance. Thank you for watching.